Here we are dealing with a permutations question. And in a previous video, we explained number one, where it says how many 4-digit numbers can be made with the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 that are less than 4,000 and are even where repetitions are not allowed. So if you fix 1 at the beginning and you fix 2 at the ending, then you only have 5 left to select 2 from. And to be less than 4,000, you can either begin with 1, 2, or 3. And to be even, you can either end with 2, 4, or 6. So you can begin with 1, end with 2, 1, end with 4, 1, end with 6, 2, end with 4, 2, end with 6, and 3, end with 2, 4, and 6. Or 6, sorry. And this 20 is repeated for each one of them because when you fix 2, you have 5 to select 2 from, and you are rearranging the 2 that you have selected the 5 from. So that's 5p2 every time. So that's 8 times 20. Now, the other restriction now, more than 4,000 and order where repetitions are allowed. So if repetitions are allowed, then you always have 7 to select from. So each time you go to select, you have 7 to select from. And to be more than 4,000, you can begin with 4, 5, 6, or 7. And to be odd, you can either end with 1, 3, 5, or 7. Okay, so here you have it. Begin with 4, 5, 6, or 7. End with 1, 3, 5, or 7. Now, the all means that you have to add is 1 or 3 or 4, or 1 or 3 or 5 or 7. Okay, so for example, let's say you start with 4. And you need 2 to complete, and you end with 1. Now, when you go to select that 1, you have 7 at your disposal. And when you go to select the other one, you still have 7 at your disposal. So you have 7 times 7. That's where the 7 squared starts. And this will repeat 1, 2, 3, 4 times 44. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 5 times 1, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 times for the odd ending. Okay, so for 4, you have 4. Okay, so that's 4 for 16 times 7 squared. Or 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 4, 6, 4, 4, 7. Okay, because for 4, any 34, any 1, 34, any 3, 34, any 5, 34, any 7. So for 4, you have 4. 5, 35, any 1, 35, any 3, 35, any 5, 35, any 7. So that's another 4. So that's 4 times 4. And each of them 7 squared times. So that's 4 times 7 squared times 4, which is 74.